Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to keep a trading diary to improve your trading results and earn more. Let's go! We want to know your answers. Please comment down below. Do you keep a trading diary? Do you use a notebook or Excel to write it? Stop doing manually what a machine can do for you. Here at TraderMake.money, we created an automated trading diary where you only need to add an API key from the exchange. After that, the diary will show all your trades right away with all the numbers you need to look at. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Add the API key, read-only, to the site. You can do this on the My API Keys page. After successfully adding the API key, all your trades will appear in the My Trades section. Step 2. Whenever you open a trade, be sure to add a reason for it. This will greatly help you avoid unnecessary trades and find working setups that bring profit. This will also allow you to eliminate the reasons that often cause you to lose money. Step 3. It is important to record your conclusion after closing each trade. Did your reasons work? Was a stop loss triggered? Have you exceeded your risk management levels? Every detail is important. This is how effective trading strategies are formulated. Step 4. Analyze your trading day and week with the diary page. Here you can see all your actions for a given coin on one chart. Such an overall big picture view will help you see what you missed in a trade, including your mistakes. Note the reason. What led to this? Finally, you should add a note to the day. Here you can record your psychological state. Didn't get enough sleep? Woke up broken or sat down at the terminal tired? Write it down. Your psychological condition directly affects how you trade. It will not take you more than 10 minutes a day, and the result will definitely be reflected in your balance next week. Step 5. Create your own widget board in one click. Be sure to add widgets, such as profit by entry reasons, distribution of losses by coins, calendar, etc. Combining different widgets will allow you to find the perfect setup to always stay in the black. Step 6. Implement risk management. Set the maximum loss per trade, maximum loss per day, and maximum leverage. Our Telegram bot will notify you when your risk management has been violated. To keep a trading diary on TraderMake.money, you will take no more than 5% of the trading session, and the result can be hundreds of thousands of dollars earned. Join the automated TraderMake.money journal using the link in the description. Analyze trades, build trading strategies, and save your precious time.